What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Before we jump in, quick shout out to our new subscriber, Jackson. Appreciate you for joining the squad. If you're new here too, make sure you subscribe and comment that you're new so I can shout you out in the next video. Now let's get into it. February is shaping up to be a huge month for Fortnite, and there are a lot of rumors and leaks floating around right now about some major collaborations. None of this is officially confirmed yet, so take everything with a grain of salt. But based on past leaks, a lot of this sounds very possible. First, Fortnite recently updated all of their social media pages with a brand new look. They changed their colors to pastel pink and blue, added hearts, sparkles, and clouds, and posted a message saying, "In February, Fortnite wears pink." At first, this could just seem like a Valentine's Day theme, but fans immediately started speculating that something bigger is coming. One of the bigger rumors points toward a second wave of K-pop Demon Hunters content. Fortnite has already worked with K-pop artists before, and leaks suggest we could be seeing Wave 2 of this crossover sometime in February. Another big rumor is a collaboration with Marvel rivals. Fortnite leakers have suggested that characters like Magic and Luna Snow could be coming as skins, possibly around Valentine's Day. This makes a lot of sense because Fortnite has already partnered with Marvel rivals before, so another crossover wouldn't be surprising at all. Sidekicks could also be getting a big update. Disney characters may be joining Fortnite soon, and leakers are saying that Stitch from Lilo and Stitch could be coming to the game as a sidekick. Stitch makes a lot of sense. He's chaotic, fun, and fits perfectly into Fortnite's style. We've already seen sidekicks like SpongeBob and Baby Groot, so this rumor feels very believable. Altogether, February is looking stacked for Fortnite. Between new collaborations, returning crossovers, and special seasonal updates, Epic Games clearly has something big planned. Again, none of this is confirmed yet, but Fortnite's history shows that these kinds of leaks usually don't come out of nowhere. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, and comment below which collab you're most excited about. Big shout out again to Jackson and to all the new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. I'll keep you updated as soon as any of this gets officially announced. And as always, thank the battle bus driver for me. Epic Games has officially confirmed that Fortnite Chapter 7 Season 2 has been delayed, and there's actually a lot to talk about. Before we get into the details, quick shout out to the new subscribers, Jackson, Ninja Shadow, Tino Gaming, and Gallardo45. I really appreciate all of you for the support. Welcome to the channel. Now let's break this down. Fortnite Chapter 7 Season 1 is being extended, which means Chapter 7. Season 2 is coming later than expected. This delay was first noticed after the v39.40 update went live on February 5th, 2026. Data miners found something interesting behind the scenes. The Battle Pass gift token end date was quietly changed from March 4th, 2026 to March 18th, 2026. That small change was a big hint that Season 2 was getting pushed back. Not long after that, Epic Games confirmed the delay on social media. The Fortnite status account posted, "We're taking one more Fortnite for next season." Chapter 7. Season 2 drops March 19th, opens the loot vault, and starts cooking. With that confirmation, we now know that Chapter 7. Season 1 has been extended by 2 weeks or 14 days. Epic hasn't said exactly why the delay happened, but it looks like they're using the extra time to clean things up and make sure the new season launches smoothly. According to Epic Games, the new release date for Fortnite Chapter 7 Season 2 is Thursday, March 19th, 2026. Like most Fortnite updates, the season will likely go live around 4 a.m. Pacific Time or 7 a.m. Eastern Time, after a few hours of server downtime. Because of this delay, Chapter 7. Season 1 is now one of the longest seasons ever. By the time it ends, the season will have lasted 108 days, making it the longest Fortnite season we've had in the last 5 years. Right now, it's still not clear if Epic plans to drop any extra updates during this extended season. The next Fortnite update is scheduled for February 19th, but with Season 2 now starting in mid-March, there's a chance we could go almost a full month without a new update. Only time will tell what Epic decides to do next. Let me know what you think about this delay down in the comments. What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Before we jump in, quick shout out to all the new subscribers. I really appreciate all of you for the support. If you're new here, make sure you comment down below so you can get a shout out in the next video. Alright, let's get into it. Bigfoot is back in Fortnite Chapter 7 Season 1, and a lot of players are trying to find him. The problem is, Bigfoot doesn't just stand in one spot waiting for you. He's actually pretty tricky to track down, so let me break down everything you need to know. When Bigfoot first showed up in Fortnite, he felt like a real myth. Anytime players got close, he would disappear before you could do anything. But after the February 5th update, Bigfoot is now a full boss character. That means he moves between different spawn locations on the map, and you can now fight him and take him out for rewards. Bigfoot can spawn in several places across the island, including areas like Humble Hills, the hill east of Humble Hills, Painted Palms, Latte Landing, Classified Canyon, Wonky Land, Ripped Tides, and east of Sus Studios. Now here's why hunting Bigfoot is actually worth it. When you defeat him, you get some really good loot. First, you get the mythic Bigfoot's Flex SMG, which is a very strong weapon and great for fights. You also get a boss medallion, which lets you see enemy footsteps and sometimes marks enemy players on the map, making it easier to track people down. On top of that, you get extra loot like a chug jug, ammo, gold bars, and random weapons to fill your inventory. Finding Bigfoot is also important for the storyline. You need to hit Bigfoot or Human Bill to tag them for Karina's favor, and you'll also need to talk to the Order to learn how to free Karina from her cell. So Bigfoot is a big part of these quests. Now for some tips to find him faster. Don't just drop randomly every match. Instead, plan a route that lets you check multiple spawn spots in one game. For example, you can start at Humble Hills, then move to the hill east of it, and then head toward nearby locations. Bigfoot's spawn is random, so you might not find him right away. But when you get close to any boss in Chapter 7, you'll see a skull icon with a crown appear on your minimap. That icon is your biggest clue. As soon as you see it, head straight toward it to find Bigfoot's exact location. It can take some patience to track him down, but the mythic SMG and medallion make the hunt totally worth it. Let me know in the comments if you've found Bigfoot yet, and don't forget to subscribe for more Fortnite guides. Yo, what's up, guys? Quick shout out to all the subscribers. Thank you for liking, commenting, and supporting every video. It really means a lot. And if you're new here, comment "I'm new" so we can shout you out in the next video. Alright, let's jump into it. Fortnite just dropped something completely different with Fall Guys Crown Jam, and this is not the Fall Guys you're used to. Crown Jam is a 3 vs 3 arcade sports mode where basketball meets football meets pure Fall Guys chaos. When you queue up, you're placed into one of 6 Crown Jam clubs, and the goal is simple. Get the ball onto the other team's side and score as many points as possible before the match ends. What really makes this mode stand out is the real physics. Every jump, tackle, collision, and slam dunk has weight behind it. You feel the momentum when you leap for the ball, the impact when you clash midair, and the chaos when everyone piles into the same spot. It's scrappy, Unpredictable and honestly hilarious. Skill matters, but timing and luck are always in play. There's also a ranked option for Crown Jam, where you can earn rewards like the Less Fallen, More Ballin', Jam Track, and the Crown Ball Back Bling. And even if ranked isn't your thing, just complete 5 matches and you'll unlock the blue plushie Beanback Bling, which you can flex in other Fortnite modes. Crown Jam is live right now through February 9th, and Fortnite is clearly doubling down on blending Fall Guys energy into Chapter 7. If you're looking for a fast, fun, and chaotic mode that doesn't take itself too seriously, this one is definitely worth checking out. Let me know in the comments what you think. Are you rocking with Crown Jam or not? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and as always, thank the battle bus driver for me.